Want to rotate your iPhone screen, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to rotate the screen on your iPhone and show you how to disable screen orientation lock. Now let's get started. To rotate your iPhone screen, open a compatible app such as Calendar, Messages, Notes, Mail, or Safari. Then turn your iPhone on its side. Your screen will then automatically rotate to landscape orientation. If your screen does not rotate, you may have accidentally enabled orientation lock. To disable orientation lock on iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open your control center. Then check if the orientation lock icon is red. If this icon is on, it will prevent you from rotating your screen. Tap the lock icon to disable orientation lock. Once it has turned gray, the orientation lock is off. Go back and try to rotate your screen again. That's all it takes to rotate your iPhone screen. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.